In this video, I'm going to show you how to contact Wise customer support. So open up Wise, okay, and log into your Wise account. So I'm just going to do that. So once I've logged into your Wise account here, click on your profile, which is on your top left there. So click on your profile. So from here, scroll down and you'll see there's an option called Help. Tap on the Help option. So here it will ask you what you need help with. So generally this is like a support hub, so you can sometimes like browse through each of these topics or whatever issue you're having. So the related topics, you can just tap on it and you might find solutions straight away from there, from the topics itself. Like you won't really need to reach out to the support team. That might save you some time as well, so it's worth like browsing these topics here. Other than that, you can click on the contact us option here, and then you can just search search the related topic that you're having issue with. So why do you want to contact the support team? So just look for the most relevant topic from here that you want to, that you're having issue with, that matches your query. So for example here, I'll just choose that balance, and then here see which is the most closest one. And if you can't really find something like a closest one, or we have something a different query, you can tap on the something else option here. Click on the something else option, and here you have these various options to contact. So you have the phone option where you can tap and then you can try to like call them or SMS. You have that option. Email, where you can email them, you can just send them an email, write your query here and then hit on send message. And also the chat options, when the live chat agents are available, you can just click on the chat option and then chat to them. In that way you'll be able to contact them. So these are the options how you can contact the support team.